Lampret kicks it out to Gerbis. Uh-oh, behind the back. Uh-oh, Čabrilo against Emrich. Beep, beep, bye-bye! Čabrilo! And Lampret says, yep, I do want to win it. And Čabrilo says, high post position, Lampret kicks it back. Did I tell you it was fast? Did I tell you it was fast? Yes, I did. Try to get it off his feet real quick. And Čabrilo, well guarded, well defended, but as I say that, he's gonna show you why. Feel the defense with your back. You may use 1 or 2 dribbles. Screen, re-screen, Čabrilo, Lampret, good connection. Strong finish with the left. Čabrilo, all right. Man, they're getting no love on those close attempts. Čabrilo with the speed, he loves it. Long range, that's tough. It's not his main strength. Great backdoor cut, and Lampret, of course, with the N1. And you can see Čabrilo. Oh, ho, ho, ho! Čabrilo! Yes, my man, and the steal. If for you 2, I could do 3. So Shaput giving Čabrilo the ball. Čabrilo with the left. Man. 16-14, 49 seconds. Once again with the drive. I told you, if he has his body on you and the right time. The rebound. Gives it up to Čabrilo. We know when Čabrilo goes. And the N1. Čabrilo trying to use his speed against Dionisio. Man, relocating his. Čabrilo, pitch back, hand off, Benchino. You got to shoot it, son. Oh, wow. Staying strong with it. Čabrilo working right, kicks it out. Čabrilo, bye-bye. Čabrilo